Well, I just got a little update. My grandson is over visiting relatives just about 7 miles to the southwest of where we are right here. And he said it was really bad out there, that the wind was blowing very hard, lightning. And he said that there was more to come. He said they had hail out there. And so we'll see if we get any things bouncing off the ground here. Wind has picked up a little bit. There's more lightning, and you can see the rain is coming down in little sheets, blowing down with the rain coming down at an angle. And you can see some good rain. A little bit of wind too. That's good, 35 to 40 miles an hour. It's enough to crack off some limbs. Be right back. Well, everything back here looks like this. You notice it's not dark, okay, pitch black dark like when a real heavy thunderstorm comes through, and it can be noon and it'll be like midnight out, okay? This is a good thunderstorm, but it's what I call a normal one. On a scale from 1 to 10, 10 being the worst, this is a good solid 3 to 3.5. That's less than a mile away, that one. I could barely count to 1 before she struck. That is with the thunder. Again, less than a mile. Well, now it seems to be settling in, and the radar looks like it too. It's going to be like this for about the next half hour, and it'll clear up. And then, like I mentioned earlier, there's one about 3 times the diameter, we'll call it, the area of this one, but the intensity was the same. It's coming for a little later. I think it'll still be light out. See you then.